Hello, TypeTwice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to rotate text in Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I created a text box, as you can see right here, and let's say we want to rotate this text, and that is actually really simple. The first thing you want to do is to select the entire text you want to rotate. Then you want to press or go over to the toolbar and find the rotate tool. If you now click on the artboard and drag up, the text will be rotated up, and if you drag down, the text will be rotated down. But if we go back, you can see that the point is set right here, and when we rotate the text, it will be rotated from this point right here, as you can see right here. Let's say we only want to center the text and not from this point right here. What I typically do is to take a copy of your text, select the text again, and just expand it, just like this. And if you go over to the rotate tool again, or press or, you can see that the point is now in the middle. And if you do the same as I just showed you with holding on the artboard and dragging up, you can see that the text is now rotating around the middle. If you hold down Alt and click on this point right here, this menu will pop up. In here you can choose the angle degree. You can write something in here, or you can just press on this icon and make sure to turn on preview so you can see how the text is rotated. And that is a simple way to rotate text in Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and comment down below what video we should do next time. That was all for now. See you in the next one.